Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Sauerbraten is one of the most famous German dishes. In this video I will show you that it is really easy to make an authentic German Sauerbraten with this foolproof recipe. The crucial ingredients for a perfect Sauerbraten are patience and some planning ahead, as the most important step is marinating the meat for 5 to 10 days before you want to cook it. This is a two-part video series. In this first video I will show you how to marinate the meat, and in the second part I will show you how to cook the meat and prepare the signature gravy for this dish. To prep the meat, rinse it with cold water and pat it dry with a paper towel. Then add the red wine vinegar and the red wine to a large bowl. Add all spices and the garlic paste and mix well. Chop the root vegetables coarsely and add them to the bowl as well. No need for perfection for this step, as the vegetables will not be served and are only used to give the gravy an aromatic note. Cut the onions into halves and slice them. Add half of the slices to the bowl. Place the meat into the bowl and cover it with the other half of the onion slices. It is important that the meat is fully submerged in the liquid. If this is not the case, you should try a smaller bowl or add up to 2 cups of beef broth. Cover the bowl with an airtight lid and let the meat marinate in the refrigerator for at least 5 and up to 10 days. Make sure you watch part 2 of the Sauerbraten video series, where I will show you how to cook the meat and prepare the signature gravy for this dish. Bis bald!